I want to welcome you to the Ply Gem video on PVC trim, including product advantages and product offerings. So we're going to go through and tell you what different products we have, talk about some of the advantages. Let's start with some of the advantages that makes Ply Gem PVC cellular trim different than other trim products and especially different than PVC offerings. So again, our process is completely different than a lot of the other manufacturers of PVC. We have a free-form system, and most of the other manufacturers use a dye process. As you can see Eric showing you, this results in virtually no voids at all, makes a much better product, a much squarer product. Our field product that we sell to the field has a film coating on it available for those products, and it really keeps the product clean until you final installation, and you just pull that film out, and then you have a perfectly clean product, a great advantage. And again, the grain that we put on our product has been specially designed so that it collects a lot less dirt than other PVC products. And you can see it very clearly in the video there that it's a great grain, but it doesn't collect dirt. Again, it doesn't attract any water either. Most PVC trims don't, but all the other options, you're going to collect a lot of water, and this is a closed cell, so you don't have any option, you don't have any problems with that. And therefore, you can install it at grade level, which you can't do for a lot of other trim products. It doesn't need to be painted, but it can be painted if you use the proper paint to any color you want. Again, there's no end sealing or caulking on the product when it's installed. And again, a big advantage of this is you can bend it with heat in the field to different curved shape. It's not brittle, and it cuts like real wood, and it routes like real wood. So those are huge advantages. The outside corners that we're going to show you in a little bit, Eric will show you now, they actually come in 20-foot lengths, so you don't have to have laps on the two-story buildings. It also has a 30-year transferable warranty, and it's made by Ply Gem, so you know we're going to be around for a long time. It's all our products are made in the USA. And all the edges, we want to show you that. Those has a patented process, so the edges are very, very smooth. And we also want to tell you about the options on the boards. The boards come smooth over smooth, if you like that look, and you can order smooth over wood grain, and you can make that decision in the field. Let's talk about the different offerings now. Eric's got them all in front of him. There's a lot of categories. There's one category of sheet products, and besides the sheet products like 4x8s and things like that, we have board products. That's where PVC trim really gives you a lot of options. And Eric's showing you we have solid boards and we have routed boards. So they're already pre-routed. Now remember, if you want to route it in the field, you can do that, but you can also order it just like a piece of wood, and you can route it in the field or put it up that way. We have 3 thicknesses in the boards. They come in 6 widths, anywhere from 3.5 inches to 15.25. So there's so many options on the boards to trim corners and belly bands and windows. Now let's talk a little bit about the molding shapes. We have a key ring that Eric's going to show you. There are so many different types of shapes for crown molding, garage door trim, and there's 29 various shapes that you can purchase. And again, these can all be painted in the field. So there's a lot of optional things you can buy. Now we're going to talk a little bit about the corner post. Let's start off by talking about the covers. We have a couple options in corner post covers. They come already attached together, and all you do is you open it up, and then it actually would be put around an existing structural post. Now, this isn't the exact size post you would use. Remember, the posts that we use for this, none of these are structural, so you do need some sort of a structural post if it's going to be holding up load-bearing products. So those are the prefabricated corners that you'd put together in the field. We also have corners that are already made that come right to the job site to complete a job. In the preformed corners, we have 4-inch and we have a 6-inch option for the surface face. The corner post covers also come in 4, 6, and 8 inches. Now those corner posts you can see, they're very solid, they go up. We have these corners that are preformed. We also have specialty corner posts. One of them has a pre-built in J channel that you can use with the great vinyl siding that Ply Gem makes, and you don't need any routing or any J channels. We also have a newer product that has a flange built onto it, so you can put it up and it will allow to use the product with cement products and painted wood products. So it's a very easy system to use. So we've gone over all the product advantages. We've shown you all the different offerings. Hopefully that'll make you interested in Ply Gem PVC cellular trim. We want to thank you for viewing our video, and please click on the link and you'll see a lot of other videos that could help you with your business.